back to a hockey channel.
Nice. All right, what are you doing today?
We're going to be unboxing, looking at this, and painting it, and playing with that in a whole one video.
Yay! Wooden cars. Build and paint.
This is the quant.
Make 3 wooden cars, 100% real wood.
This is the quant.
Yeah?
This is the side.
That's the side.
This is the back. This
Nice.
is the other side. This is the top.
Cool.
And I don't think this box has a barcode. Does it have a barcode?
Right here. Barcode. And let's show this way.
And that's very
Barcode.
grand because it's usually on the bottom.
Yes. So 42 pre-cut and pre-sanded wooden pieces. Sandpaper, 3 sticker sheets, 12 dots of acrylic paint, 3 pots of glue, 2 paintbrushes, easy to follow instructions. All right. Let's do the unboxing, right,
My mom
Hockey?
just has big scissors.
Oh yeah, those are bigger ones.
There's rubber on them for some reason.
All right, Hockey's gonna show you what's inside, kids.
Okay. Move. We got this. Got some cardboard.
Cardboard. What's inside of that cardboard? Let's see.
I'm going to have my own
Can I cut it?
heavy.
Or
No,
are you gonna do
I
it?
want to cut
Oh,
it. I have my own heavy scissors, guys.
yeah, his own heavy-duty scissors. He's going to work. Job. So why did you get this new car building set?
Because it was all broken.
How old did you turn? 6 years old? What? That is getting old. All right, so what do we have to do first? So each bag is probably 1 car. So you want to pick which one of these bags you want to start with? I think they all might be the same shape. That bag, okay. Small racing cars are fun to build, paint, and then play with.
Look.
Paint the pieces before you glue it together.
We lost the piece, guys.
Assemble the fenders. Careful. Line up the top rounded edges. Line up the pieces. Glue. Okay, so painting is first. Okay. So are all these color things the same? This one has purple, a little different.
This one doesn't have blue.
That one doesn't have blue, yeah. Do you want to pick one of these that you're going to use? This one.
We'll have to unbox them all.
Okay.
Can I have these?
Yeah.
This guy's better on my hands than those.
I guess we can open each of them so we have all the colors, right? We can open them all.
But we need all of them.
Okay.
Why does this one have 2 lights? Why do you need 2 lights, kids?
Oh, these are 2 things of... These
No,
are...
look.
Oh, this is all glue. This is glue.
No, this.
That's white, but this is glue. So you don't want to open these yet. We need to paint them first, kids. All
Why
right.
did I put glue in the paints? They don't have 1. These are all glues.
Okay.
Oh, it's sticky. I know it doesn't make sense, But I would just think it's funny that we paint the tiles red. And after we're done painting all of these, they have to dry.
Yeah. Oh yeah, and then we'll have to start up the video again, right? So Hawkey is starting out with painting one tire red. Nice. Oh yeah, I'll get you a tray to put those on, right? To dry them off. It's starting to dry too, the tire. Oh, leave it like that. That's good. Then it will dry on each side. Perfect. You want to wash your hand off so you don't get red on everything?
Yeah.
Okay. Kids, we're going to wash his hands real quick.
Paint it.
Okay.
Look back.
All right. Clean fingers. Nice. Doesn't have red on his fingers. So what are you going to paint the next tire? Blue. What color? Blue.
It's going to be on the same one. Oh, this is a big blue. Come in the moon.
Here. There you go. Another tire done. You're gonna paint anything else blue before we wash your hands. Or you know what we could do if you don't want that on your hands is just use a wipe. You're gonna paint a different color?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, just so that he doesn't make all of his stuff blue that he's painting. You can just kind of wipe most of it off. Yellow.
Yellow.
Nice. So oh, hold it, pick it up with this hand. So all parts of this project will be fun, kids, because the putting together of the car is going to be fun too. Put it on here. There we go. Another piece done.
I want this one yellow too. I actually want this coat yellow and like the coat like a different color.
The other part's different color.
Yeah, so it's probably both on the blue look.
Oh, okay. Wipe that off, you mean?
Yellow, red, and blue. Now we're going to red.
Oh, I like that idea. He switched it up. Yeah, you don't have to paint one piece all one color, right? Good job, Hawk.
It doesn't. Oh, it does change the gloss.
Nice. Look at this, kids. Whoa, look at that. Pretty.
My ears will.
Okay. Hey kids, have you ever made wooden cars before? We have not, right, Hockey?
Yeah.
Yeah. So afterwards, it looks like you glue different pieces together. Interesting.
You somehow work to the side, then I'm sorry if you see some oats. Well, we're going to show how I did that at the end of the video. I'm actually going to paint this green, blue, and red. Then do this moldy color on my 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got it on 4 fingers. And we just hold it around.
Putting your fingers in them to make them super colorful. Look at this technique, kids. Instead of using the paintbrush, ooh, make sure you don't get a sliver on this kind of wood. Hey, I wouldn't do that, Hockey. He's running his hands along it. You might end up with a sliver.
No, I'm not.
Okay.
I know how to do this.
Okay.
We're going to wipe my hands.
Okay.
Because
Whoa, show the kids. Open your hand. Wow, got colorful. Okay. Are you not gonna do any of these pieces like that?
I am.
Like that? Then do you wanna just leave your hands?
No,
Oh, you're
I
gonna do-
different colors.
You're gonna use the paintbrush for the other ones? Okay.
So,
You
we're
gotta
going to wash
wash
my
your
hands
hands. I'm gonna
again.
turn this off for a sec.
Tin the glass.
Oh, okay, and your hands are all clean now, aren't they? And we got them, look
Yeah.
at, yeah.
Oh, they
Well,
used to.
yeah, they used to be. And we got him nice fresh water. So he's ready to go again. Right? That must be the body of the car that, see kids, this big, longer piece.
It's going to be a rainbow.
Oh, really? Is that what you have planned for it? A rainbow. So kids, in the picture, that's this part of the car. So like, I don't know if that would be considered probably like the axle, the underneath of the car. See?
Yeah, but I don't know where the driver is.
Yeah.
Because if you rewind the video and look on the box mode, you can actually see that those guys driving it. So I don't know
Really?
that do the like.
Not on this one. See, this is what they're gonna look like.
I
Yeah.
don't
So
rewind
this
the
one.
video.
Yeah, don't rewind the video. This is what they look like.
We have the box for proof.
Oh yeah, we have the box.
We
still
don't
for
do
proof.
editing.
Yeah. Well, yeah, Mommy puts the videos together, but we don't really add stuff in, do we?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We only have stuff that we actually saw.
Yeah.
So if you see any 3 a.m. videos, what you're seeing is actually in real life.
Well, some people do a lot of editing, do they?
Well, if you know the YouTuber Glover does this, go off of the video and go on it.
Yeah.
It's on YouTube, so there. And this video is on YouTube, so there.
Yeah.
And I just want to show you something that Mommy not seeming to show you guys. But is you turn the camera,
Around.
then the
This?
bottle, the plastic bottle. We're actually going to do that for another video. So
Yeah.
you see that in
Oh,
the
yeah.
video.
Yeah.
So I might leak something.
Yeah, that's like a clue, right? Oh, you leaked something, right? You leaked some information. Yeah. Yeah, if you keep watching Hockey's art, you might see that turn into something, right? Whoa, good job, Hawk.
I'm quick.
You're quick.
I'm dabbing it hard out. You can see I'm
Dab,
going
dab,
very
dab.
fast. It's what? I need to cross it more. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, now it's this.
Now he's going for more green, right? Nice.
I don't think I'm going to get in the hose. I got it in the hose.
He didn't think he was going to, but he did. That's okay. I think that's going to be okay, kids.
Oh my god. Now I'm actually getting it in the hose. I'm turning it around. Well, guys, look.
Okay, you're turning around. Nice. Dab, 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 dab.
Oh, blue.
Nice. Ready to go on the drying rack, huh? Look at the drying rack so far, kids. Ooh. Okay, another. Oh, you want me to wipe your fingers off a little bit? There you go. Yeah, what do you want to tell the kids about your birthday? Did you have anything exciting at your birthday party that was different?
Pinata.
A piñata. What was inside of the piñata?
Candy.
Candy. Like what kind of candy?
Candy. Like some lollipop.
Lollipop.
Some Lego candy.
Lego candy. Were Smarties in there? Smarties.
The mystery lollipops.
Yes, mystery lollipops.
It's a mystery.
How about gummy bears? Yeah. Yeah.
Really weird, but it's funny for some people.
Yeah.
Like me.
Did you have anything else at your party that was different?
All this.
What?
Big bouncy house.
A big bouncy house. Was it just a little bit big or was it giant?
Giant.
Giant.
So much that you
Okay,
can only
okay.
have it for 1 day.
Yeah, so much that they only let you rent. It's so giant that they only let you rent it for 1 day. Okay.
Psych. Psych. Psych.
So you have 2 tires left. 2 sort of over the tires. And a side of the frame, huh?
Oh, it made bubbles.
Mhm.
Actually, it's all done.
Oh, it's all done? Oh, wow. Oh, no, what about this? The frame. Look at his hands. Hold up your hands, Hawkey. They got messy. Or full of paint, I should say. You done with this one? Oh, you ran out of paint, didn't you? So apparently they give you just enough paint, right? Or a little bit less than just enough, right?
No, just enough.
Just enough? Okay, good.
Just enough is we're going to use up a whole one.
Nice.
There's
Okay,
more.
we'll leave this for, we're gonna keep this because it has, look, says GL at the top. That one's glue that we need to put the cars together. Okay, kids, we're gonna put it on pause, or we're gonna put it on pause for a while to let it dry. Say bye for now.
Bye, bye now. We're back.
We're back. Okay, test it out. See if all your stuff has dried. So everything he painted, we're gonna see if it's dry now.
It's cold glide.
Is it?
Yes, it is. I'm touching everything. I'm touching everything, and everything is glide.
Okay, so Hawkey is touching all the different pieces of wood that he painted.
One, two.
And it's
One,
all
two.
dry.
One, two.
Nice. Okay, that means we get to move on to, do you know what the next step is, Hawk?
Building the car.
Yes, and I think it's gluing it on. So this part we have to do correctly. Let's see, assemble the fenders. So fenders are above tires. Carefully line up the top rounded edges, okay? Line up the pieces with a straight edge like the base. Okay.
And we're going to have to open it through.
Put some glue on here, Hawkey. Okay, and we're gonna put glue on the back of each of these.
Okay, all the crystals are ready.
Okay, we're gonna put glue on here. We're gonna put glue on here, kids.
Hey, Mommy, is you working here? I'm gonna have to remove a piece of paint out of there.
Okay, and then you're gonna glue this. Put the glue on here. Good job. Put a little bit of, okay, that's good.
Okay.
Okay, and then it says put a straight edge. You want it, the straight edge parallel to this. For some reason it seems like it's tricky. Okay.
If the glue can glide that fast
Yeah.
in my fingers, how fast can this whole thing be made? I mean,
Good
we
question.
have to do it fast.
Oh, you're trying to glue your fingers together?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good for that one.
I can do this all the time. Can't stop.
Okay, I hope I'm doing this right where I'm lining the top part up.
Yeah, therefore we're getting the key.
Hopefully that's correct. Oh, did it dry? Okay, now the other side with the same way. So the longer one is on the back. Okay, so you put the glue on here.
Well,
Oh.
that's definitely going to be a tippy problem. Get it?
Tippy problem.
Tippy problem. Because it tips. Making jokes.
Making jokes all the time, right?
Ew.
Okay.
It's starting to dry between my fingers.
What are you gonna do when it's all dry?
I don't know. Just keep it like this. Actually, I'm going to move it to the...
Okay.
Now I'm going to make it so I can only do this.
Whoa. Okay.
I know I only painted one side of it, but maybe I didn't make a reason to paint only one side. I made it for a reason.
Okay. Okay, so after that, glue on the opposite side. We did that. Assemble the wheels. Add glue. So look, it shows assembling the wheels. Add some glue to the hole in the wheel and insert the axle. If glue squishes out, wipe it off. Put aside and give time for the glue to dry. Okay. So add some glue to the hole in the wheel and insert the axle. So this is the axle. The axle is what is in between two wheels. Okay.
I think now it's dry.
Oh,
Oh no.
oh no. So do you want to put some glue on here? Hockey's trying to glue his fingers together. Or should I just dip it in here? Maybe I'll try and dip it in here.
I actually attempt to do it.
Oh no. Is that
So, Hockey's trying to glue his fingers together.
is that like a stickiest glue on the earth?
Is it the stickiest glue on the earth?
I don't
Good
know.
question. I don't know either. You think so?
That sticky glue where you cannot get off?
But leave some glue for the project, Hockey, too, okay? Just so we have enough.
You said the project?
The project?
Well, now it's pointy. It's a pointy decal. When it points, it digs so
in and
you can't pull it out.
small drop of glue to the wheel. Okay. Oh, you put the axle through here. This is the body of the car. So, and then the stick here that comes out of the wheel is the axle. So you put it in there.
So what happens if I
Nice.
crack?
Look at that, kids.
I don't think they're going to need my help anymore.
You don't? Well, of course I will, Pumpkin. Here, do you want to put some glue on here? On this.
Okay.
Okay, Hockey's going to put some on here.
Don't
you go.
hold my hands.
Oops. I think I got to put a little bit more.
Don't need to dry up inside
Your fingers.
my fingers.
Oh no.
I might turn into a grandma.
Do you want to wash it before it dries?
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna wash Hockey's hands. One sec, kiddos. Okay, guys. So we are putting the last parts together, right, Hockey? And Hockey got his what? What did you just do? Your hands?
My hands free.
Yes. Next step is add the sides to the base. So, and do we glue that or no? Add the sides to the base. Let glue dry overnight. What? Let the glue dry overnight. Can you put glue on the bottom part? There you go. On here. There you go. And I wish we had like clips that we could clip it on as it dries. Clips. Because it's not fully.
Lucky.org.
And it looks like that it doesn't seem to land. That it's so thick that So,
Okay.
I think I'm
Okay,
just-
that side will stay on. And now, do you want to glue this side?
Yes, but first I have to do the vents and quick. Oh yeah. Okay, really.
Okay, kids, we're adding the last piece of glue, and then we're gonna have to let this dry overnight and then show you if it actually works. Good job,
Is it
Hawk.
actually whoa?
Yeah, we put a little bit thicker glue on there,
Oh, you said
especially
thick.
here. Yeah. Almost you could like see the glue. This is
Oh, you can see the glue. Okay.
there, like that, a dab. There you go, where you can see it, yeah. And then more like that here. There you go, a little bit more like that. Okay. That will probably hold it on. Okay.
This one you said all of it.
A little bit more.
Okay. Oh, wait a minute.
Wow. Whoa.
Get it.
Okay. Is that it?
Oh, now it actually did happen. Look
What?
at this.
Where your hands are stuck together?
No, it's not that thick. It can't actually just like squeeze somebody's hands on. Yeah, like it can't just do that.
Okay. So now we will let this sit overnight, kids.
Again.
Again, and come back to you and let you know if this car is gonna work, okay? Okay, can you say bye for now?
Bye for now. Peace out.
Peace out.
Back, kids. The glue has glide in with C and what tells you is the color.
All right, here it is. The custom-made car by Hawkey. Whoa, does it work? The tires, he's checking the tires out. Are they spinning? Just as a wooden car should, right? Does it work? As good as it can, right? Should we see if it sails through the hallway?
Yeah.
Oh, right. Whoa. I didn't catch it on camera, Hawk. Whoa, it works. Yay! Can you tell the kids it works?
Whoa.
It works, yay! Whoa, right to you kids, check it out. All right, ready? Okay, kids is gonna send it back to Hawkey. Wow, it works! Yay, whoa! Okay, say bye kids, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Snow globes coming next, right?
Well, coming next.
Next, nice. Bye.